welcome to XQ, the Zero Trust Data Protection Platform. This demo will show you how to set up the XQ Secure Forms plugin for WordPress. To get started, open the administrator dashboard of your WordPress website. Click on Plugins in the main administrative navigation bar, followed by the Add New option. In the search field of the Add New Plugins page, type in XQ Secure Form. Click the Install Now button on the XQ Secure Form plugin, followed by clicking the Activate button. In the Administrator dashboard, hover over Settings and then click the XQ Secure Forms from the drop-down menu. In the Input field, enter the email associated with your XQ account. If you do not have an XQ account, one will automatically be created using the email input. In your email, you will receive a one-time 6-digit code to validate your account. Input this PIN in the Validation PIN input field. By default, XQ will deliver your forms via email. If you want to use email as your receipt channel, leave the checkbox checked. Enter the email addresses of users who should also receive a submitted form. You may input multiple user emails, just separate them with a comma. Each address that you enter will be authorized to decrypt the form submissions. Enter your website's name in the following input field, followed by the URL for the page you'd like to direct users to following the form submission. Once you have completed all the necessary values, press the Next button. Your WordPress site forms are now protected by XQ. Now you can collaborate safely and securely with coworkers and customers. For easy decryption right within your email, install one of XQ's Outlook or Gmail add-ons. Alternatively, you can easily decrypt each submission by clicking on a link in the form submission email. For more information on XQ's Zero Trust Data Protection Platform, check out our website at xqmsg.com.